What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another Next Raker video. Once this video gets 500 likes, I will be giving away a mini Pepsi fridge, which you will see in action later on in this video. And to participate, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. Best of luck, pranksters. Now let's get this video rolling. We'll kick things off by putting together the desk, and this one comes from ODK. It's an electric height adjustable desk. So it's not your average gaming desk, but hey, it will do. In fact, it's perfect for the gaming setup that I'm gonna go for. Inside the box, we pretty much have everything we need to build a desk. Check it out, pranksters. This right here allows us to control the height of this desk. We can easily adjust it anywhere from 29.5 inches to 45.7 inches. This is ideal for any scenario, especially for those of us who like to stand up and stretch our legs while gaming or doing other computer work. Alright, well, now that the desk is fully built and it's positioned on the corner of my room, let's start to place things on there. For this setup, I decided to get a gray 32 by 16 inch desk pad. This I got from Amazon for $14. I wasn't too crazy about the color, but I still placed it in the middle of the desk. Next item going up on this setup will be the very important gaming monitor. My PlayStation 5 will go on the right side of the monitor. It'll stay out of the way but still look good where it's sitting. For 20 bucks, I bought this cool RGB headphone stand with a USB hub. Putting it together wasn't rocket science. I just had to connect the neck and the stand to the base of it, and that was it. I did plug it in through USB. I really like that I can also plug in my iPhone's charger on the USB port and have my phone charging while I'm gaming. So sandwiched between the monitor and the PS5, it will go. Here is my Edifier GX gaming headset. I will rest these where they belong. So far everything is looking pretty good. I went ahead and placed my MacBook right in front of the monitor. Sometimes I can edit for hours, so it's helpful to have this handy on top of my new setup. I'm really excited about this next item that I'm about to unbox for you guys. At my local Walmart, I paid 40 bucks to take this home. And even though at first glance it does look like a pack of Pepsi, it's actually a mini fridge, guys. So let's pull it out to admire this awesome little gadget that will make snacking much better. So for starters, I think the color is perfect. It's blue, and yes, that is my favorite color as well. It's branded quite well with the Pepsi logo right on the door. And look at that, guys. That's where I can store my drinks and keep them cold while I'm gaming or while I'm doing computer work. I truly believe that every hardcore gamer needs one of these. And remember, pranksters, I am giving away one of these to one of you awesome fans. But in order for that to happen, this video has to get 500 likes. And like I said before, if you want to enter this giveaway, just like and comment on this video. Check it out, pranksters. I have a new microphone. This is the Maono Caster. It's an all-in-one podcast production studio, and it does go for $160 on Amazon. It's perfect for live streaming or doing voiceovers, which is what I'm doing right now. They did a great job protecting the microphone with enough foam. And the first piece that I'll be taking out is the actual microphone. It's nothing too high-end, but it is a very good high-quality condenser mic. Now we get to the fun part, the very easy to use audio interface. Alright, well, I went ahead and put the desk stand together for it. All pieces were included inside the box. I just love it when a microphone comes with a shock mount. This microphone connects to the audio interface using an XLR to 3.5mm jack. Then with a USB cable, I can connect it directly to my MacBook. At this point, it's ready for me to start doing my voiceovers or live streams. This looks like a great spot for it. Gaming and live streaming is fun and all, but I can't do it standing up for hours. Luckily, here is this giant brown box, and inside I have my Andaseat gaming chair. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First thing we get when we undo the flaps is the black base of the chair. This is where the casters will be popped into. And this right here is one of the pillows. It's actually the lumbar support pillow, and it's all black. So when I saw this, I naturally assumed that the whole chair was gonna be black as well. Well, to my surprise, once I dug deep in there, I saw that my Andaseat gaming chair is light gray with black trim. Alright, pranksters, well, here are all the components that I removed from inside the box, and you can see it's quite a lot. But let's not let that intimidate us, because I guarantee you guys that with a drill you can easily build a gaming chair in under 20 minutes. Once you are done, your chair can look something like this. Check it out, pranksters. Here's my gray Andaseat gaming chair. Now this chair is fully suited up and it's ready to be used for gaming. It's not just comfortable, but also has those features I like. This chair is well padded, so comfort is not an issue here. In fact, I won't be surprised if I fall asleep on this chair just like this guy right here. And although this is an amazing chair that looks great with my setup overall, There are some times when I want to be standing up because gaming for hours can get uncomfortable, so I'll stand up and I can adjust the height of the desk with the press of a button. And at some point just standing up gets boring as well. I much rather be burning calories and exercising. So let me introduce you to another gadget that I got for this setup. Here is my $400 CD Sports fitness walker that can be placed under the desk. And just so you guys know, this machine is not as heavy as your traditional treadmill. CD Sports definitely wanted to keep this machine damage free, so it was packaged very well with styrofoam. Again, because it's not heavy, I was able to remove it from the box with ease, and now it's laid out on the floor. A really cool feature that I liked was the remote control. It's a vital part to this machine because since it doesn't have any handles or a raised up interface, I can control it with the press of a button of the remote. Through Bluetooth, I can connect my phone to its built-in speakers so I can play my favorite tunes while I speed walk and break out a sweat. Its top speed is 3.8 miles per hour, just exactly what I need to put some steps on my Fitbit and feel good about myself. Basically, it's like killing two birds with one stone. I get to exercise while still gaming or doing computer work. Overall, I'm happy with the setup. I love that it gives me flexibility to do things. I get to have cold drinks whenever I want and a good walk when I get tired of sitting down. Now, before I wrap up this video, I'd like to remind you guys about the giveaway. If this video gets 500 likes, I will be giving away a mini desk cooler to keep your drinks cold all day while you game. To participate, just like and comment on this video. Good luck, pranksters. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.